NTRA stock, super interesting. In this 1 minute video, I'm showing you my exact play, whether I'm buying, whether I'm not. So let's talk about it. Natera stock, it's a decent 7% correction. Look, I'm the only guy in this space that's actually done 40,000 videos and documented them all. And still, unless I really see this sort of still continue to kind of jump up, right? Yeah, I like the trend. Like I don't care about the 6.5% correction. Well, definitely it does matter, but when I'm looking at this weekly chart, I'm like, I just want to double down and buy more. So how's this going to look like? Well, yes, I'm going to mark out this demand zone. And yes, only if I see this actually taking a place and giving me a double break, I'm going to look to take up. If not, this is all pure noise. So what I'm going to do, pull this confirmation here. In the meantime, all I'm doing is I'm waiting. So yeah, let me know what is your opinion on this. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.